Welcome to Raj Technologies. Myself Rajshekhar, and we are discussing in the last videos about object-oriented concepts. And already we have seen in the last videos about objects, classes, abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance. And in this video, let us see about polymorphism. Poly means many, and polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism means many forms. And we are in two types of polymorphism. They are compile time, and one more is runtime. We are in two types of polymorphism. One is compile time and one more is runtime. This compile time we can even call it as static binding or early binding, and this runtime we can even call it as late binding or dynamic binding. And under compile time polymorphism we are having method overloading. Under runtime we are having method overriding. Very important, method overloading and method overriding. Let us see initially about what is this method overloading. So when you take this method overloading, so in this method overloading, method name is same. Method name is same, but the signature is different. But the signature is different. What is this signature implies? Signature means number of arguments what you pass to the method or type of arguments. Like example, if you take a method like area where we are passing 3 integer arguments with some code inside, and if you take the same method name area and if you pass 2 integer arguments to this method area with some code, see, observe here, the method name is same, area, but if you see the signature, the arguments, first one is going with 3 integer arguments and second one is going with 2 integer arguments. So they are defined with what? Number of arguments. If you take one more method name area and if you pass 2 floats as arguments, and if you observe this second method and third method, see, second is going with 2 integer arguments, third one is going with 2 float as arguments, then they are defined with what? Type of arguments. Either if they differ with the number or type, then we call it as overloading. And this concept overloading is applicable in the same class as well as even subclasses. Like the first 2 methods can be in base class and the third area method can be in derived class. Now let us see about overriding. This overriding is very important. The complete Java technology depends on the topic overriding. Method overriding. In this method overriding, method name is same, and signature is also same. Signature is also same. And this concept overriding is mainly for subclasses. Like example, if you take a base class like vehicle, and if you take a method here like drive inside the method with no arguments, and if you take a class car extends vehicle. So what is the keyword we have to use between the class? Whenever you want to create a new class using existing class, we make use of a keyword extends. And when this new class car extends vehicle, and in this car class if you write the same method drive, with same no arguments. If you observe here, we are having in vehicle class we are having a drive method with no arguments, and in car class also we are having drive method with no arguments. So for car there are two drive methods. One is present in vehicle class and one more is present in its own class, but the signature is same, the number of arguments what you pass are same. Then we call this one as overridden method. This we call it as overridden method. So what is overloading? Overloading means the method name is same, but the number of arguments or type of arguments what you pass is different. And in the case of overriding, method name is same and signature is also same. Means whatever the method we write in base class, if you write the same method as it is with same signature, then we call it as overriding. And we'll be looking about this polymorphism once again when we enter into the Java technology. So that's about the object-oriented concepts what we have discussed up to now, and we are going to see all these object-oriented programming concepts practically by using Java technology. So that's about in this video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.